Are some balance exercises just well out of your reach? Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to guide you through a series of balance exercises that are well within your reach that we can both do together. Now, these exercises are for complete beginners and they're designed to help improve your balance and reduce your risk of falls. So I'm going to guide you through 4 exercises step by step, and all you'll need is a chair or the back of a chair to lean against, or a kitchen bench top, some firm supportive surface. So let's get started. I'm going to come side on so that you can see what I'm doing. And I want you at home to position the chair in front of your body. We're going to start with a little warm-up exercise, and this is just called a calf raise. So here we go, lifting up onto the balls of your feet, taking your heels off the ground and down slowly. Keep both hands on the support at the start. So lifting and lowering. We're going to do 5 of these. Now these are a really nice strength exercise as well as a balance exercise. And you could really do these at any time, couldn't you? While you're waiting for the kettle to boil, it's an ideal time to do some balance exercises. I think I've done 5. Let's do one more for good measure. Lifting up and taking it down. So you can do that exercise at any time. Now our first official balance exercise is single leg standing. So stand behind your chair, think about your nice tall posture, lifting through the crown of your head, chest is raised. Try to look straight ahead as you lift up your leg. So lift one leg off the ground. Now as you do this, try to keep your supporting knee just slightly bent, not locked and straight. So slightly bent and take it down. Let's do that again for the count to 1 and 2. Here we go. 1 and 2 and take it down. And repeat again. 1 and 2 and take it down. Go again. 1 and 2 and take it down. Let's go to the other side. 1 and 2 and take it down. Now keep looking straight ahead, try not to look at the ground. So 1 and 2 and take it down, and 1 and 2 and take it down. Now if you're finding that too easy, you might be able to hold on with your fingertips or with one hand. Just make sure that you have someone with you to support you if you're going to take one hand off and your balance isn't good. All right, now our next exercise is called a tandem stand. So what I want you to do is just step back a little way from your chair, and I'm going to take my right heel directly in contact with my left toe. Can you do that at home? Hold on to your support. Now lift your chest and stand tall and look straight ahead. So obviously with this exercise, we're really narrowing our base of support. So it can be quite a tricky exercise to do. You might then try to lift one hand off the chair and take it down, and the other hand off the chair and take it down. If you're finding that too easy, you can take both hands off the chair and take them down. Let's repeat again. One hand off the chair if you can, and only if you can. Hold on if you need to with both hands. And one more time, both hands off the chair if you can, and take them down. Great, let's change sides. So now we're taking the right leg back, left leg forward, so we're heel to toe. Stand tall, gazes straight ahead. Here we go. One hand off the chair if you can, and take it down. Other side, stay looking ahead, stay tall through the chest, both hands off and down. All right, one hand and down, the other hand and down, and once more, both hands if you can, whoa, and back down, and take a break. All right, how are we going with those at home? I hope you're finding them comfortable. Again, just take them within your comfortable range and what feels good for you to do at home. Now, our next exercise is a side leg raise. I'm going to turn around and demonstrate facing you. You're going to start holding onto the chair. But the exercise is going to be a side leg raise like this. So you're lifting your leg out to the side and back down, keeping the toe pointing forward of the lifting leg. So I'll do that one more time. Out to the side, not too high, and take it down. Let's get ready to start. So you might start with your lifting with your left leg. Keep your right knee slightly bent as you do this. So right knee slightly bent, lift out to the side a little way, 1 and bring it back. Take it again. Lift it up, hold it for 1 and take it back. Let's do 2 more of those. Lift up, 1 and take it back. And go again, 1 and take it back. Let's go to the other side. Here we go. 1 and take it back. Try not to lean your body. Try and keep it nice and straight and tall. Resist the temptation to look down and back. 2 to go. 1 and take it down. Here's our last one. 1 and take it down. And you might be starting to feel the muscles working in your legs as well, because these are also strength and balance exercises, which is a great combination. Our final exercise today is the leg out behind, and I'll just demonstrate for you before we start. So what you're going to do, again gaze forward. The leg, single leg, is going to come out behind the body and back down. So you can see that I'm not bending forward and I'm not looking down. I'm keeping my body upright. I'm still holding on here with 2 hands. So let's see if you can do that at home as well. So take one leg out behind, but not too far, and bring it back. You don't want to overarch through your lower back. Let's go again. Take it out and hold it for 1 and bring it back. Now, if you can, once again, you could reduce to holding onto the chair with fingertips, or even one hand if you're able to, working at what's comfortable for you. 1 more time and back. And let's finish off with the other side. Here we go. Stay tall, lifting through the chest. 1 and take it back. And again, 1 and take it back. Have you got that knee slightly bent at home, that supporting knee? Back leg lifts out straight. 1 more time if you can. Stay tall. 1 and back down. And that's our little routine. Great work. How did you go with those exercises today? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget that I'll be making more balance exercises in upcoming videos, so you might like to subscribe below if you haven't already. Now, try to do these exercises if you can, balance exercises, every day. So the more you do, the more practice you get, the better your balance will become. So thank you for watching today. I really hope these balance exercises help to start you on your way to better balance. I'll see you next time.